Alright, let's remove this front bumper. First thing to do is to remove this air intake scoop. Originally, this is held by plastic clips. Here it was replaced by metal bolts. Remove those two fasteners. Then, pull the air intake scoop. This tab acts as a lock to keep the air intake scoop in place. Next, remove these plastic clips. Pop it out using a flathead screwdriver. Then remove this upper panel. Put it in a safe place. Next, here we need to remove some bolts. Grab a 10mm socket. Here are the 4 10mm bolts. And another one on the middle part. Unfortunately, there is no bolt. Remove all bolts. Next, on the side of the bumper, there will be 2 plastic clips on the fender liner. But unfortunately, there is only 1 plastic clip here. And this 10mm screw. Remove all of those. Then, just pull the bumper and it will pop out. Do the same thing on the other side. Next, I remove the license plate, and there you will see 2 10mm bolts. Remove those too. And again, unfortunately, this car doesn't have a splash shield. Here is a diagram from a parts catalog. The splash shield is held by plastic clips and bolts. Remove those and you can take the bumper away. So, there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. Subscribe now for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.